Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. In this video, I have prepared a quick breakfast recipe, fluffy pancakes. They are super fluffy, soft and very delicious, and it takes just a few minutes to prepare them. It also requires only a few ingredients. It makes a perfect breakfast recipe. You can serve it with maple syrup, honey, chocolate spread, Nutella, or simply eat it plain. Do try it out guys and let me know how yours turn out. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all my new uploads. Thanks for watching. Yummy, super fluffy and delicious pancakes are now ready to be served. I've served it with maple syrup, but you can try having it with chocolate spread, Nutella, or maybe Hershey's chocolate syrup to enhance the taste further. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Facebook page as well as on Instagram, the links for which are given below. Do come back again to watch my next video, which I will be uploading soon in 2 days. Till then, bye for now.